If you're a guy who wakes up in the morning all stiff and sore, your whole back doesn't function properly, I got a trick for you because I've had a bad back pretty much my whole life. This has really, really helped me. And that is my good mornings for a good day. Very straightforward. Don't do this the minute you wake up. You do this once you've been up and at it, you had some breakfast, you've moved around a little bit, okay? Because your spine is not ready for anything aggressive in any way. This isn't aggressive, this is really easy to do. It's called a good morning. So real straightforward, hands to your chest, and then you just bend forward, your butt out like this, forward over, you bend down. You do about, I do 40 of those, but you don't have to. You can do 20. You just wanted to give it a bit of a burn back there. Take a breather, take a rest. Now, progressive resistance, that's what I do with my clients. You don't start heavy, you don't do any of that thing quick early into doing this type of exercise. Body weight only is all you need, because what that's going to do is it's going to activate those muscles. It's going to get all of the joints moving in the right way, the way they want them to be. Now, the progression that you would do after you've been able to do this for a couple weeks, you can increase the weight. I'm talking baby steps, man, really baby steps. 5 pounds, something in your house, it doesn't matter. You don't have to be at a gym to do this, you do this at home, okay? But I'm at the level, I'm actually doing more than 10, but I just want to show you what you would do. You want to keep the leverage here the same. So, same movement. Okay? You're controlling the whole area the whole time. That's all you need to do. So, I hope that helped. If it did, this is what I do. This is how I train people. So, you head on over to GrowProThrive.com. See what you see there. This is where I'm going to help you rebuild right from the ground up, from the inside out. Hope to see you there. Talk to you in the next video.